Once we have our core layer, it's very likely that since we are condensing a lot and a lot of information, the resulting CDA tables will be very large, with a lot of data and a very broad purpose. That's why, in some cases, you will see a third layer, usually called data marts. To understand them, and while there may be some debate about this comparison, it's a good starting point. Data marts are subsections of the CDL layer. These subsections can be created in different ways, and just like the transformations, they depend entirely on what business users are interested in. Why do we do this? Well, in large organizations, there are many departments involved in day to day operations and each needs to consult some type of information, but they need it in different ways. So, what we do is to provide them with a section of the information that only contains what they are interested in. For example, if we are working with the sales team, we only give them the information they need for sales, not more. If we are working with marketing, we only give them information related to what the marketing team is interested in. Another way to create this layer is to categorize the information by regions. If the company has a national or global presence, we can categorize the information by country or region. So each data mart will contain data from the CDL, but filtered by region. In addition to filtering the information, you can also perform transformations or calculation directly related to the use case. So the information is prepared exactly as the business users need it, creating a specialized layer focused on the topic of interest. Therefore, the RDL layer is made up of cores or sections of related tables, where each core serves a specific purpose. This has its advantages. Since you are no longer constantly querying very large tables like those in the CDL, and are now using more focused tables, query performance improves. At the same time, business users are happier because the information is easier for them to read, and they don't have to struggle to find what they need among a sea of tables. As a side note, and in case it's helpful, I have also seen this layer referred as the RDL or report data layer, but business terminology can vary from company to company.